A lot of people come on the internet assuming that there's just this big lake of money, and if they show up with a big net, they can just scoop it up and they can put it in their bank account. But really, the money that you are looking for is in someone else's pocket. And what you need to think about is, how can I get that money from that person's pocket into my pocket? Now, you can chase after them with a baseball bat, you can pull a gun on them, but we're not going to go down that route. We're going to go down the nicer route. We are going to go down the route of providing value to our audience, to our customers, so that they'll want to give us money in return. Now, when it comes to making money online, there's two different routes you can go down. You can be an entertainer, or you can be an educator. Now, if you are great at entertaining people, I'm sure if you probably set up a channel on TikTok or YouTube, you'd probably make an absolute fortune. Now, in my own case, I would probably starve as an entertainer. So what I'm doing is I am going down the route of education. And what I'm doing is I am trying to find people with problems, come up with a solution to that problem, and then sell that solution to them. So what I do is I write ebooks, I make digital courses, videos, and all that content, and sell it to my customers to help them with the problems that they have. And that's what you need to think about first of all. Are you going to be an entertainer, or are you going to be an educator?